In this video, I will show you how we can enable or disable Microsoft Studio viral or free trial sign up. Many organization wants to control the trial license, and if your organization is also want to implement this, you can enable or disable the Microsoft Copilot Studio trial or sign up license using the PowerShell scripts. So let me show you how to do this. So right now I am on my machine and you can see that I can click on start free trial, and now immediately it is started and I can access the Microsoft Copilot Studio free or trial license. But what if I want to control this feature for the organization users? So let me show you how to do this. So to do this, we have to run a PowerShell command. So let me open the PowerShell as an administrator and let me load the PowerShell script that I already downloaded and that is in my download folder. And I will provide you the script link in the description section. And then what you have to do, you have to run this script with the global admin rights. And let me run this script. Now this script is going to check some of the things, and if all the modules are already installed, then it will just import the module and it will connect with the Microsoft Graph and find what is the current status of your free trial. So let me log in with global admin rights. And now we can see that the current viral or trial sign up are currently enabled, and it is asking whether you want to enable this feature or disable this feature. So let me type disable to disable the Copilot Studio free or trial subscription and enter this. And now we can see that operation completed successfully and it is now disabled the Copilot Studio free trial. And if we run this script again to validate whether the license is already disabled or not, we can see that the current viral or trial sign up are currently disabled. And if you want, you can enable this feature. But for now, I want to disable it. L- And let me go to the Copilot Studio console and let me sign out from here. And let me sign out this account. And if we again open the Copilot Studio console and sign in with a different user or account, and if we click on Start Copilot Trial, now this time we can see that the sign up was disabled by your admin and you can't sign in the free or trial version. So that's how you can enable or disable the Copilot Studio free or trial version. And if you want to enable this feature, again, you have to select the entire script and run this script with the global admin rights. And here you have to type enable because the current setting is disabled. And now we can see that sign up is now enabled. And if we again go back to the console and try again, click on start free trial. We can see that user is now able to sign up in the Microsoft Copilot Studio using their corporate account.